What is up, guys? Today I got a little surprise, and I think I got something that I did not expect to get here today. So check it out. Look at that. Look what I got. On my package, it says Yeezy. So let's open it up and see what we got. Right now, I've been waiting for these, what did I get? I didn't get the shirts. I didn't get the pants. But I did order a couple Yeezy slippers, not slippers, but the pods. So let's see what they look like. First time anybody's getting a chance to see this. If y'all got y'all's package, write it down in my comments. Let me know what you think of what you got. And I'm gonna do the same thing, you know, but I'm doing it here. This is a open box, basically, or you could say open bag. Let's go for it. I've been waiting for these for a while. I almost canceled my order because I didn't think they were coming. Look at this, guys. Oh, look at that. Yeah, I did get a couple pairs, so let's see what they look like, you know? Let's see. See, look. They have some number 2 on here. That's cool. This one has number 1, so, you know, it's a smaller size. But yeah, let's see what it looks like. It comes in this nice little black bag. It has zip tie. It's not really all that expensive as I thought it was going to be, because they used to be $200. I remember when they first came out, I did want to buy them, but I didn't buy it. So I kind of looked up when I didn't buy it, and I ended up buying it for $20. So it's a nice little bag. The little string is elastic, kind of, you know, see? Elastic. See, guys? It almost feels like waterproof, but I doubt it's waterproof. But just pull out the slide. Here we go. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Oh man, I'm so happy it came. I'm so happy. But look, guys, this is how it looks. It really does. Look at it. It looks like a sock. It smells like glue a little bit, because I don't know if y'all know, I customize shoes. I mess with a whole bunch of shoes, basically a lot. So I always smell my shoe, just like I'm pretty sure any shoe head that open up a brand new box of shoes, y'all always smell them, just like what I'm doing right now. These don't smell too good. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. It smells kind of, I don't know what they smell like, but they don't smell like regular new shoes. But yeah. But guys, look, this is what they look like. See? Just a long, thick sock. You ever had those, you know what they feel like? I'm gonna tell you right now. You ever had something called a compression sock? A compression sock is a real thick sock that helps you circulate blood through your feet, your legs, whatnot, because of the tightness. That's exactly what these basically are. Yeah, it's stretchy. This is, oh, you know what I thought? I thought right here was stretched, but it doesn't. It doesn't stretch like I thought it would, but everything else does on top, everywhere. I'm not gonna put these on, but this is just a quick little view of what they look like. To let you guys know that I actually received my shoe. I hope you guys received y'all's and be as happy as I am, but I will be using these. I will be probably using these in a workout video or something, or I might customize them. If y'all want me to customize these, let me know, because I will customize these. And I'm really been thinking about it, because everybody has this shoe. And you know I'm extra, so I will be changing them up, just to change them up, just to be different, because y'all know I'm extra. So, but yeah, this is the size 2. Let's see what the size 1 looks like. Let's open this bag. If I can untie it. This is the number size 1. See, I got tape all over it. But size 1, the size 1 is really small. They said the best thing to do is if you wear a size 9, to pick a size 1 because the foot part on the size 2 is a little bit way bigger. So if you wear a size 9, you should probably pick a size 1. That's what I've been hearing. And I can see why, because this probably will fit your feet perfectly. But yeah, size 1 and size 2, difference. Is this a size 2? Yeah, this is size 2. See, look at the pad. The bottom pad is way bigger. The size 2 bottom pad is way bigger than the size 1. See, you can see the difference right here probably. Hopefully you can see it in the camera. Yeah, size 2, size 1. So yeah, let me know in the comments, what do you think about these socks that Yeezy came out with? He made his announcement at Super Bowl months ago. He said they were going to be sent out in 4 weeks, but it was so many people who ordered this shoe that everybody's order got backed up really badly. So I'm just now receiving them. But yeah, check them out. As you see, I got a couple pairs. So number 2, 1. Thanks guys for watching. I'm Marc Wayne. This is Marc Wayne Designs. Thanks for checking out me and my Yeezy Pods.